everyone. I'm Jaime.
I'm Catherin.
And I'm Daniel.
And we are here in We Know Nothing. And today we are exploring how the Scrum framework can help engineering teams and manufacturing teams manage complex validation projects with the structure and clarity. Thank you, Catherin, for being here.
That's right. And in regular industries, validation can feel overwhelming. So many documents, approvals, and tests. Scrum helps by turning complexity into smaller, manageable sprints that deliver real progress every week.
So Catherin is an engineer who has supported validation and quality systems initiative in regulated manufacturing environments. Thanks again, Catherin, for being here. Welcome.
Sure. Thank you, Jaime and Daniel. I'm happy to be part of this conversation. Applying Scrum to validation allows teams to stay organized and deliver results faster, even in compliance-driven environments.
All right, let's focus on the OQ stage, Operational Qualification. What happens during that phase, and how can Scrum make a difference?
Okay, so OQ is where we confirm that equipment, processes, and systems operate as intended within defined parameters. It is a technical documentation heavy stage that requires coordination between engineering, quality, and production. Instead of tackling the whole OQ as one huge task, Scrum divides it into smaller sprints, each focused on a key deliverable that moves the project closer to full qualification. For example, before testing can begin, there are 3 major set of activities that can each become a sprint. Sprint number 1, material creation, setting up all required materials in the internal system so they can be tracked and referenced during validation. Sprint number 2 will be bill of materials, defining every part, component, and consumable needed for the test runs and linking them to specifications. Sprint number 3, routing creation, mapping the sequence of steps or operations that show how materials move through the process during testing. Each sprint delivers a clear outcome that fits the next one. Once all 3 are complete, the team is ready to execute OQ testing with confidence and full traceability.
Oh, that structure really shows the power of Scrum. Taking what feels like a massive validation effort and breaking it to practical and achievable goals.
Exactly. This approach gives visibility to every stakeholder. Everyone knows what's being worked on, what's complete, and what's next. By the end of each sprint, you have a verified deliverable, materials created, a validated bill of materials, or routing approved, each one moving you closer to the final OQ report.
And that leads directly to our next episode, where we will dive deeper into bill of materials, how creating it efficiently supports validation, production planning, and cost control.
Exactly. After completing the bill of materials sprint, teams can immediately review outcomes, apply lessons learned, and move to the routing sprint. This iterative rhythm builds momentum toward full OQ completion and keeps the project aligned with both quality standards and deliverable timelines.
That brings up a great point. What skills make a Scrum Master effective in technical environments like this?
A great Scrum Master blends technical understanding with people skills. They facilitate communication, remove roadblocks, and help teams stay compliant without slowing progress. It's about leading by enabling, guiding each sprint so they can deliver quality outcomes consistently.
And that's a great takeaway. Scrum turns large, complex projects into small and focused wins. And that's what drives real progress.
Absolutely. Whether it's material setup, BOM creation, or routing design, take it one sprint at a time.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching us and turning into We Know Nothing, where innovation, quality, and teamwork build the future. This is a space for us to share. Even for you, if you want to be part of us, please let us know. We're going to be here. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye, Catherin. Bye, Daniel.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you all.